Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Happy. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting. So guys, as you can tell by the title, today I decided to stay with you, just to spend a day with you. So I'm starting with go to wash my hair and make my hair. My hair is not looking good, so yeah, let's go guys, make our hair done.
Six and a half hours later.
Broken but half alive.
The next day.
As I wake up, don't judge my room guys, I just woke up and I start packing because tomorrow I'm going home. So now I'm going to iron my bed sheets. Actually, I'm not going to show you because I already show you how I do it. I'm just going to do regular cleaning because 2 days ago I did deep cleaning. So yeah, so I'm just going to do what we call regular cleaning, but I'm not going to show you as I told you. So yeah, let us just me iron my bed sheet. So I will see you just like 30 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes I already clean my room, already do everything, arrange everything. My room is looking clean, my briefcase over there, my whatever you call it. So I'm ready to go home tomorrow. So yeah, in case you don't know, I'm living in Dar es Salaam, but my hometown, raised and born and raised in Arusha. From Dar es Salaam to Arusha is 700 kilometers, I think so. Yeah, so yeah guys, and that's it. And tomorrow I'm taking guys with me so that we can enjoy traveling together. So guys, if you did not subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, comment anything down below. So tell me, where is your hometown? So yeah guys, I will see you in tomorrow.
That you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you. Turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground.
a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't calm down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got time. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side.
One eternity later.
And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion reasons, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
6.5 hours later.
Love. We're running in the jungle of love.
So guys, it is almost 6 hours since we came from Rishael. Now we are stopping in the place called Mombo. So we are going to eat. After that, guys, we are going to be back to the bus. Then we'll continue to our journey. So I'll see you guys after eating. So guys, my camera is dying. I don't know if I'm going to still vlogging, but if I didn't do it, I'll see you guys in Moshi or Arusha.